Guys, back again. I just played one-shot duos, so I'm gonna play all the LTMs. Let's see, Close Encounters. I'm gonna play that. G-Ducks. Should we? I know who G-Ducks is. G-Ducks will be right back. I'm gonna make a YouTube video. He's a YouTuber too, but he doesn't upload very much. Ooh, eliminate a potion. I can't talk today. So I guess I'm gonna play in Lockie's Pickaxe Frenzy too. And we got all of these I can't play on. Oh, okay. So I can play in one more tournament, so I don't play very much Arena, but I'm in Division 2. So guys, Rolling with Crabs just uploaded a new video. Right now I got a notification while I'm recording this video. Oh, jetpacks, I forgot. New jetpacks actually just got added. How much health did I get? How do you use them? Oh, you press A. Or whatever button you press to select on whatever platform you're playing on. Fill up. I remember when these things got added. People went crazy about it because you could just, noobs could get defaults could just get away from you. Oh. Oh yeah, let's get ready. Guys, I actually haven't learned that on every location this season. Do you remember the grotto? So I forgot about that until this video. And pretty much I'm playing every LTM that I get to play on. So some I don't get to play on. Oh, this is actually my main combo. Golden Brutus. I had to get to level 180 in Chapter 2, Season 2 to get it. Guys, I actually very much so want to do a video playing with one of you guys. So comment your name down below if you want to play with me. Because I'm going to pick one out of all of you. Wait, who's here? Let's see. So I have all of these. Who's my Xbox Live friend playing? Oh, yeah. There. I got a weapon. I got a gun. I got this. Got some shield. Oh! Wow! I'll take you. So I'm gonna practice. Oh. Heh, where's someone? Coming to me. Oh. Wait, will I take fall damage? Here. Nope, no fall damage. Wait, what was that? Grenades? Oh, yeah. So, shotgun challenge only. I guess shotgun challenge only. That's what this video is. Shotgun challenge only. Oh, wrong way. No fall damage, I guess. And I guess only shotgun. So we'll find a better only shotgun challenge. Oh, did you guys see that? I have an eye for XP coins. Yeah. Wait, what did I see? Oh, jetpacks. And I don't want that. Actually, it's probably better than this. Let's see. Oh. Ah, guys. I guess. I did good. So subscribe for more Fortnite videos. Peace.